The stage was set, the lights shimmered, and anticipation filled the air as history was made. Aditi Patel, a 23-year-old beauty with brains from the vibrant city of Mehsana, Gujarat, rose above the competition to be crowned forever Miss Universe India 2024. This isn't just a victory, it's a defining moment that marks the dawn of a new era in Indian pageantry. Her journey from a culturally rich small town to a national platform is nothing short of inspiring, proving that dreams, when pursued with passion, can transcend boundaries. But before we dive deeper into her extraordinary story, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling tales of empowerment, success, and glamour. The grand finale of the Forever Miss Universe India 2024 pageant wasn't just an event, it was a spectacle. Held at the opulent Zee Studios in Jaipur, Rajasthan, from 19th December to 21st December, this pageant brought together the best talents from across the nation. Aditi's achievement isn't just a personal milestone, it's a moment of pride for her hometown and the entire state of Gujarat. Known for its vibrant culture and traditions, Mehsana now basks in the glory of producing a national icon. Born and raised in Mehsana, a town renowned for its cultural richness, Aditi Patel's rise to fame was no accident. With an unyielding determination and an ambitious vision, she turned her humble beginnings into a stepping stone for greatness. But Aditi isn't just a beauty queen. She's a nurse at Mount Hospital in Perth, Australia, a staunch advocate for women's empowerment, and a proponent of quality healthcare. These roles showcase her dedication to not only personal growth but also societal betterment. The pageant's finale was a star-studded affair that redefined elegance and purpose. Led by the legendary Shai Lobo, the event was nothing short of a masterpiece, blending grace with cutting-edge creativity. Fashion, contestants donned breathtaking gowns provided by Forever Fashion, while exquisite jewelry from Adarsh Jewelry and Genisha Rental Dress and Jewelry added a touch of brilliance. Makeup Magic, a team of top-notch makeup artists, including M Studios by Bijli, Vicky Salon, and Ush Makeup by Ayushi Vohra, ensured the contestants dazzled with confidence. The event's success can be attributed to the visionary efforts of Rajesh Agrawal, the founder, and Jaya Chauhan, the company's director. The pageant wasn't just about beauty, it was about celebrating resilience, intelligence, and the indomitable spirit of women. The Forever Miss Universe India pageant broke barriers with its innovative audition process. Aspiring participants could book and complete auditions online, ensuring accessibility to talents nationwide. The shortlisted candidates underwent rigorous grooming sessions with industry experts, preparing them to shine on both national and international stages. With 139 countries gearing up for the Global Miss Universe 2024 pageant, Aditi Patel stands as a beacon of hope and a symbol of India's potential to dazzle the world. Aditi Patel's success is a call to action for countless young women across India. Her victory whispers to every dreamer, no matter where you come from, your aspirations are valid, and with grit and determination, you can reach the stars. As Aditi prepares to represent India on the grandest stage of all, let us cheer her on and celebrate her triumphs. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and hers is a story that will inspire generations to come. If you loved this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more sizzling tales of courage, beauty, and achievement. Stay tuned as we bring you closer to the magic of Miss Universe 2024. This script promises to captivate viewers while highlighting Aditi Patel's remarkable journey and the grandeur of the event.